Your new vehicle is equipped with an electric park brake system, or EPB. Now, unlike conventional park brakes, the electric park brake not only offers simple operation, it includes some additional features that make this park brake more convenient and useful. As you know, the park brake is primarily intended to prevent the vehicle from rolling while parked. So before leaving the vehicle, make sure that the park brake is applied. Also, make sure to leave the transmission in park. You can engage it manually by pulling up on the electric park brake switch located in the center console. If anything accidentally pushes down on the EPB switch, it will not activate the system. The switch must be pulled upward. You can also have the park brake engage automatically every time you put the vehicle in park. Just enable the automatic parking brake feature in the Information and Entertainment Systems settings option on the main menu, under Driver Assistance. Here's a quick note though. You may hear a slight whirring sound from the back of the vehicle while the park brake engages or disengages. This is normal EPB operation, and if your foot is on the brake pedal while you apply the park brake, you may notice a small amount of brake pedal movement. This is also normal. Once the park brake is fully engaged, the brake warning lamp in the instrument cluster and the LED indicator on the switch will illuminate if the ignition is in on-run mode. If the ignition is off, the brake warning lamp will not illuminate. Keep in mind, though, that the park brake can only be released when the ignition switch is in on-run mode. To release the park brake manually, the ignition switch must be in on-run mode. Put your foot on the brake pedal and push the park brake switch down momentarily. Once the park brake is fully disengaged, the brake lamp and LED indicator will go out. Now, under normal circumstances, you should never engage the park brake while driving. However, rare and exceptional circumstances may make this necessary. To engage the park brake while in motion, pull the EPB switch up and maintain upward pressure for as long as necessary. The brake warning lamp will appear, and you'll hear a warning chime. The rear stop lamps will also be illuminated automatically while the vehicle remains in motion. To disengage the park brake while in motion, release the switch. If you come to a complete stop using the EPB, once you reach approximately 1.9 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour, the park brake will remain engaged. Your vehicle's electric park brake also features Safehold. Safehold is a safety feature that will engage the park brake automatically if the vehicle is left unsecured while the ignition switch is in run mode. For example, Safehold will automatically engage the park brake if the vehicle is at a standstill. There is no attempt to depress the brake pedal or accelerator pedal. The seatbelt is unbuckled and the driver's door is open. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.